Welcome back, my friends. We are currently in Gothenburg, Sweden, and we will discuss the best countries to be a traveling vlogger if you're a small channel. Maybe if you're a big channel as well, but if you're a small channel, or if you just have started your YouTube channel and want to be a travel vlogger or something like that. Am I a travel vlogger? I don't know really what I am on YouTube, but I make videos on YouTube at least, and then this video will be the best countries to vlog in. The best countries to vlog in, you can say. And for me, this is my opinion. We will start in Turkey, Istanbul. I had a very good experience vlogging in Istanbul. Why did I have a very good experience? Because my content there was very good. I went to a barbershop and I maybe spoke few words to the barber, and then afterwards he was like la 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 la. He fixed everything for me, and the video turned out quite good actually. So it was quite easy to make that video. So you don't need to push out that hard of the content, or what you can say. So I really like Turkey that way, and it's also very interesting. Istanbul is quite interesting. You have the Asian side, and then you have the European side. You have a lot of history from a lot of different religions in Istanbul, so it's quite a good place to start vlogging. Also, they have a lot of characters. I found perfume sellers that spoke Swedish in Istanbul. It was another video that was very good content. So you don't really need to think about that much what you're supposed to vlog. You just pick up the camera and just go talk by yourself, and then you will find content in Istanbul. And go to a barbershop. The next country I will say is India. India. Everyone goes to India to make content. Yeah, everyone goes to India to make travel content, and the reason why I think is quite cheap. You get scammed, and it's easier to interact with the local people. So so that is the reason why people go to India. I was in India for 3 weeks last year, and I made a few videos that was quite good, and also a lot of interactions. So that was quite nice and easy interaction. You just pick up your camera and then you go to the beach or something, and people will come to your camera. So you don't in India you don't really need to look for content. The contents come to you can say. And but of course people talking shit about India. I will not talk shit about India. I liked India, but it's a different place. It's a very different place from what you're used to. The next country is Bangladesh. Yeah, Bangladesh is a neighbor country to India, and also a neighbor country to Burma. And yeah, it was quite easy to make contents in Bangladesh, at least in Dhaka. You just go with your camera, and there's also a country like the contents come to you. You don't really need to do that much. One day I was just looking for a ferry ticket, so I went to the boat terminal and trying to find a boat ticket, and the next is history. If you just go to my channel and see that video. It was a very good video. I was following a local man. So he was showing his neighborhood, a shipyard and everything. So I was also invited to his home, and just because I was looking confused how to buy the tickets to another destination in Bangladesh. And yeah, so Bangladesh is also a very good place to make contents in. And it's also very affordable. That is also why a lot of people go to Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is a good place to make content if you don't use to the camera. And you, the next country is Cambodia. Yeah, Cambodia is a very good place if you have never done vlogging before. And this is why. It's a quite small country, so you can explore Angkor Wat. You can go to the beaches. You can go to you can also film a lot of like the dark tourists from the late 70s. I will not talk about the genocide in this video, but yes, it's a lot of things to see, and also quite easy to interact with, like the tuk-tuk drivers. Yeah, it's also very, yeah, it's a good place to you start a YouTube, not a channel, but a YouTube journey. If you have never vlogged before, Cambodia is a good place. And because everyone goes to Thailand, Vietnam, people go to Cambodia as well because Angkor Wat. But Cambodia, yeah, Cambodia is a good place to make YouTube videos. And the last country in this vlog that I will highly recommend you to go to make YouTube videos. And the reason is also the local people in this country is very, very nice, happy. They are also very kind. They try to help you. Sometimes they try to scam you as well, but that is everyone tries to scam you when you're traveling, it seems, but not that much in this country. And which country am I talking about? Yeah, of course I'm talking about Nepal. And you can do hikes, and you go to these small tea houses, and in every tea house you can have a good evening, and you can interact with local people quite easy as well. And they're really into YouTube, so if you want to blow up your channel, make some videos from Nepal, and then you are, I think so. If you make good videos, if you make crappy videos, it's not really matter where you go. And yeah, I don't know if I do crappy videos or good videos. Sometimes I do good videos, sometimes I just do crappy videos. And yeah, but crappy videos is better than no videos. That is my opinion. And you cannot start on the top. You have to start on the bottom and work yourself up. And yeah, but Nepal is also one of my favorite countries. It is maybe why. And if you're really into hiking, you really need to go to Nepal. And yeah, so Nepal is a good place to make videos. Even if you're not into hiking, it's a lot of things to do. Just go to Pokhara and spend like a week in Pokhara, 2 weeks in Pokhara, and the surrounding of Pokhara, and then you will find good content. It's also, yeah. So this is for now. I don't know if this video was the best one, but yeah, was okay with you. And if you want to support me, consider to buy a t-shirt that you see here. This is my brand. So it's a good way to support the channel, to buy some t-shirt from me. Otherwise, just watch my videos from the beginning to the end. That's helped me a lot as well. And if you want to know anything else, just make a comment down below and I will come back to you as soon as possible. But this is for now. See you in the next one. Ciao!